everyone, welcome back to the Diabetic Diet Show. Today's recipe is one of my favorites, and I have Chef William here today to show us how to cook it. It's going to be bacon Brussels sprouts with spaghetti, and we're going to start with the ingredients. So we're using real bacon or bacon bits. We're using chop up real garlic or minced garlic, salt and pepper, shallots and butter, using a pasta, a chicken broth, and lemon, flour, milk, and two kinds of cheeses. We're using Parmesan cheese and mozzarella. Now you don't have to write all this down. If you just hit the subscribe button in the lower right hand corner, or if you go to the website, which is jamestdds.blogspot.com, you'll be able to see where it says more and you'll see the ingredients. Let's get started with the shallots. So I already started to clean them. Okay, and if you want to, in a minute, get your pan turned on, I will have these ready for you. How's that? Is that
yeah,
good size for you?
it was good.
I'm using a new knife today. I probably should hold it like you're supposed to, just so that I look like I know what I'm doing. You know, William's a chef. I'm just filming the cooking show for us. If there's anything you don't like in it, this is a good time to get rid of it. But this is a new knife that I'm using. It's a tool knife. Ordered it off the internet. It's fairly heavy. It's balanced if you hold it where you're supposed to. And I didn't learn that way. You know, I hold the knife back here, and I keep a knife down on the toe. Now, I do like the croissant shape or moon shape of the knife. It is easy to rock when you're doing, you know, cutting things like this. And you know, with a taller blade, you get a straighter cut. Like if you're cutting zucchini or potatoes. When you're cutting something bigger, if you have a bigger knife, you'll get a straighter cut. Which one are you doing? This one?
Yes. The lemon juice.
Now the lemon, I roll the lemon. I was rolling it a little bit before we started. Then you just want to cut it in half, and when you squeeze it, you want to squeeze it up like this so that you hold the seeds up so that they don't go anywhere else. That's all right, you fish them out, no big deal. I got a little spoon here if you want for fishing seeds out. Try, and no matter what you do, the seeds are going to pop out. I don't think there's anybody that's figured out how to not have the seeds come out. You know, you could squeeze it through a strainer. That would be a good suggestion if you wanted to do that. And then the lemon cleans your cutting board. That's always nice.
Garlic.
That's what I brought this one out for. And you'll notice that one's different. Now that's not like the roasted garlic that I normally get. That is a minced garlic. So this is roasted garlic, and this is a minced garlic.
And add some bacon. And salt and pepper.
So you just use a little bit of bacon, huh? You just put in about 50 pounds and that's about it?
Sure. Give that a good stir.
Well, I guess I should start some pasta water.
Yes.
I'm going to reach right up behind you here and grab a pasta pot. You know, for a little trick, if you put your water in this and you boil it in this, it'll boil in the teapot faster than it will in the pasta pot.
First we want to add the butter and the flour.
This. Since we're a low budget show, we don't have a cleanup crew. I keep cleaning up as we go along.
We're going to add your cheese.
We're adding 1 cup of cheese of mozzarella and 1 cup of cheese Parmesan. In the microwave, I have the Brussels sprouts. And you wanted the Brussels sprouts cut in half?
Yes.
Okay. In my infinite wisdom, I bought frozen Brussels sprouts and didn't take them out early for the show. After cooking them for 6 minutes, they're probably soft or mush.
And then we're going to add our broth and milk.
Okay. And that's going to be the same thing? I think that was a cup of each?
Yes.
When you boil pasta, do you put the lid on the pot?
No.
So you boil it with the lid off?
Yes.
When you sleep, do you sleep with your beard under the covers or out of the covers?
Out of the covers.
We have left on the pasta 4 minutes. You know, it's funny, like the microwave, stuff comes out so hot it'll burn your fingers. 3 seconds later, everything's all cooled off. I guess that's the one thing they couldn't figure out how to make happen in the microwave, to have things stay hot.
This is melting. Can't tell if it's on or not. The cheese not melting.
Just finishing up, cutting the broccoli. The pasta is done. You can turn the pasta off. And we are all set on this project.
The cheese sauce is almost done, and we're just gonna add all the ingredients together now. So we're gonna use the other.
Here's this.
The bacon.
Bacon. I have our pasta. The pasta was cooked in salted water, but I didn't salt it till it started to boil. This is nice having you over here. I just move pans around and enjoy your cooking. This is the ultimate deal here.
And the Brussels sprouts.
My pan needs to be cleaned up with vinegar. You know, I always brag about these pans I bought. They are so easy to clean up. I had a real mess last night after the show we shot last night. And I tell you, one night I fell asleep and left dirty pans sitting there. Woke up at 2 a.m. and said, oh no, I got dirty pans. And you know, all these pans were so easy to clean.
And after you stir all the ingredients together, it's ready to serve.
I have a red pasta.
Just turn it off.
Yep. I have a red pasta server down there in the, I think it's the second drawer. It's a real nice red scoop right there. Will that work well for scooping that out?
Yeah.
Okay.
So it'll be just.
Load me up. Look at that, huh? Wow. There we go, folks. Here's our meal. It was fun. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Goodbye for now.